Hello everyone, I am Anupriya from BTech High Tech Engineering College. Today I am going to explain about my project. The title of my project is Elevated Rail Covering Irregularity Identification. The objective of my project is to find out the crack in the railway track and intimate to the nearby stations or driver. By using this project, we can avoid the train accident and the life of the passenger will be rescued. Let we avoid the train accident and save the people life. Existing system CBTC is nothing but a communication based train control. It is a railway signaling system that makes use of telecommunication between the train and the track equipment for the traffic management. By mean of CBTC system, the exact position of the train is known more accurate than with the traditional signaling system. Metros and other railway systems are able to improve headways while maintaining or even improving drawbacks. The drawbacks of the existing system are not able to predict the crack properly on the track. It requires professional people, manual inspection, great measurement error, low efficiency, less accuracy. Proposed system. If the receiver didn't receive the signal means the controller will send a warning information which is in the train through the admin control. When the crack is detected on the track, the alert message is sent through to the admin. The admin reschedule and update the train details. The updated details are shown by the user and trackman and the driver. If any object is in the track, the GPS and the GSM are used to identify the crack and the location. GPS is nothing but a global positioning system. It is a space-based satellite navigation system which is used to identify the exact position and time in all the weather condition. GSM is nothing but a global system mobile controller. It is used it is an open mobile service and mobile control and data service. It is used for a voice services. Advantage of the proposed system is easy to find and easy and early to find the fault detection, better performance than other method, facility to send an alert and a warning message to the particular train driver or admin or the trackman, transmitting signals immediately. Accidents can be avoided by taking immediate response. System architecture. The proposed system architecture. First, the admin can upload the train details. After that, the user can view the train details and also view the number of trains. Driver also view the updated train details and if any fault is occur, the driver will intimate the message to the trackman. The trackman will give the alert message to admin. After that, the admin will reschedule the train timing and the details, and that also will be uploaded into the railway website. After that, the user, trackman and the driver, this they can view the train details. Uh, I used hardware for this project, processor dual core, RAM 4 GB, DD2 RAM, hard disk 250 GB. Software used for this project is a front end JSP servlet, backend MySQL, operating system Windows 10, IDE Eclipse, and coding Java. Modules. It contains six modules. They are user interface design, user view train details, trackman periodic post, user integration, or the admin upload, or the admin give suggestion. User interface design. This is nothing but a login page. In this, the user can type the username and password. It is used for a validation purpose. User view train details. In this module, the user can view the number of trains starting and destination place of the train. Trackman periodic post. In this module, the trackman will immediately update the track records day by day. user interrogation is nothing but trackman. This module is used for trackman and driver. If any fault is identified in this in track, they will give the alert message to the admin, or the admin upload. RD is nothing but a railway department admin. They upload the admin can upload the train details, like train. If any fault is identified in the track, they will upload the delay time, that like that, or the admin gives suggestion in this module. If any delay time, or any user will ask the question to the railway department, the admin can replay in that module. This is a use case diagram. First, the user will register to the website. After that registration is completed, they will log into the website. After that, the login is completed, it will check into the server. If it is valid, the server will replay the train details. If After that, the user can search the train category, like local or fast. The train details will be displayed through the database. Sequence diagram. In this sequence diagram, there are five modules, like a user, railway website, platform, verbatim record, a server. First, the user login to the railway website. After that, login is valid, it enters into the platform. Like the platform will shows the starting and destination time for the train. After, if any fault is occurred, it will generated to the fault verbatim record. That fault message is forwarded to the server is admin. After that, admin will upload the train details. After that, that will be displayed to the railway website. After that, the display the updated train details will be shown to the user. Activity diagram. First, the user enter the name and the password, username and password. If it is not valid, it will not enter into that website. If it is valid, it enters into the railway website. After that, they enter into the platform. If any fault is occurred, it enters into the fault verbatim record. After that, the admin will enter the reschedule the train details, and that will be shown to the user. The After that, that is the end process. Data flow diagram. Level 0. First, the user will log in. After that, they will check the status, like if that what is the starting and destination time of the train. After that, it proceed to the hierarchy stage. Level 1, login. The user view the train details. If any queries uh, having by the user, it will type into the website. After that, it will enter into that will be stored into the database. Level 2, login. Sorry, the trackman or driver will log into that website. After that, if any fault is occur, they type the query, that is sent to the admin, that will be stored in the database. Level 3, trackman log into that website. If any fault is occurred, they type that query to admin. The admin reschedule the train. That will be stored in the this block. After that, the admin uploaded the details of the train, that will be stored in the database. Level 4, this is for admin page. Admin will update the train details, and if any emergency messages occurred, that also will be stored in this page. This is for user registration data. That will be user will register it in this data, that will be viewed by the admin. This is the ER diagram. First, the user trackman and the admin will be logged in. Login contains two relationships. That is a username and password. After that, the user can view the train details. If any queries are having by the user, that will be also uploaded in that page. Trackman have two entities. That is one is upload their problems, and another one is they also view the train details. Admin contains three types. One is database information that contains the username and password. After that, if any emergency is if any emergency message is coming, that will be uploaded into that emergency report. Uploaded train details. After that emergency report comes, the admin can reschedule the train details. That will be uploaded into that page. These are the screenshots of my project. This is the home page. In that home page, I am containing home, register, user login. Login contains admin login, driver login, trackman login, and user login. This is a user login page. After that user login, this page will be shown. One is the user can choose the train category. One is a fast and the another one is local. If I'm choosing fast, these are the train details will be shown to me. After that, if any fault is occur, the admin can upload at the delay time. That will be shown in this website. After that, this is the uh, sorry, this is the train details. If the user also views the exact position of the train. This is the driver and the trackman message page. If any fault is identified in the track, the message will be sent to the admin. This is the message page. And if any message comes to the website, after that the admin will upload the train details. This is the upload page. Future enhancement. In future, we will also using the CCTV with IP-based camera for monitoring the visual videos captured from the track. It will also increase the security for both rails and passengers from terrorism and crime. Even an uneducated people can also handle the button in train which is pressed. If they find any problem means they press the red button, otherwise they press green button and the alert sent to the railway department. Conclusion. The project work has provided an experience and opportunity to use our limited knowledge. In this project, the major accidents will be avoided and the life of the passenger will be rescued. Thus, we select a project which is simple to use. This project helps railway system to be in secure position and always be needful in security purpose of Indian railway system. Thank you. Now I'm going to show the demo of my project. This is the home page. After that, I'm logging to the railway website. Already I'm logging to the name of Priya. Now I'm choosing the category like okay. This is the user view. After that I'm log out. This is the trackman. Trackman also view the train details here. This is the message page of the Trackman. If any fault is occur and the delay time will be displayed in this page. After that, what is the reason of the crack will be typed in this page and type in this field, and which train will be, which type of category of which category of the train will be also entered in this field. After that, they send to the message to admin. This is the admin view. In this admin page, first the admin upload the train details. If any alert message came means, after that alert message they send the updated details, so they can view and update the train details. This is the driver message page, and this is the trackman message page. Thank you.